Welcome to this preview of the CRM channel, a new web TV series sponsored by SuperOffice. In this first series, we're going to take a look at a methodology called customer performance management that makes a real difference to sales success. I'm joined by Julian Jones, MD of Adaptive Business Support, who developed CPM. Julian, welcome to the studio and welcome to the CRM channel.
Hi, Gemma.
How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
Good. Now, I would like to know a little more about Adaptive Business Support.
Well, we've been around for about 12 years and we provide sales intelligence, funded government apprenticeships, training, sales advice, strategy, everything you can imagine to do with sales.
Okay, so it's wide, it's varied, which is good and very diverse.
Yeah.
Who are your typical customers?
They tend to be both private sector, public sector, from very small micro businesses right up to large corporates, both in the UK and overseas. And they tend to be businesses who want to improve sales both efficiently and intelligently. So in other words, working a lot smarter.
Okay, and this is the thing, working smarter is good for every single company.
Absolutely.
And is it possible to work with any CRM?
Yes, it is. CPM has been designed to use sales intelligence that comes from lots of sources. So it may be information contained within a CRM system that a company already has. That could be a very simple spreadsheet. It could be a Microsoft Outlook. It could be a proprietary software package. Or in external sources such as web monitoring, news monitoring, social media monitoring, to give salespeople or sales teams a hunting tool, so that when they go out looking for sales, they're going out talking to people who are more likely to buy.
Absolutely.
So it's using techniques that in 2012 are the modern day techniques rather than the ones that a lot of people use that have been around for a long, long time.
So as well as kind of these techniques, what else can people expect to learn from this series?
Well, they learn about what CPM is and how it can work for them, whether they're an owner-managed business or whether they're a large corporate, and how they can implement it and how it will change their sales. So when they're striving to achieve those sales numbers month on month and wondering and worrying about how I do it consistently, we'll show them how to do it.
Okay, this is good. So what typically happens when people implement CRM without CPM?
CRM systems are often regarded as nothing more really than a database or a library or a list of customers. The trick is, how do you use that information to generate sales, to generate more sales, to generate sales efficiently? And a lot of businesses don't know that. So after a flurry of initial enthusiasm and energy, when people see that CRM isn't actually driving up sales, interest wanes and they become poorly used, the data becomes poor, the quality becomes poor, and the projects fail.
Okay. And businesses do not want that.
Absolutely. CRM is key. The quality of data is key. The way in which CRM is used is key. But it's how you use that information. And businesses don't know what they don't know. And there are techniques such as CPM today that will allow you to really drive value for money out of that investment, which may have been quite significant.
Which is brilliant. So this CPM is very, very important to the success of every single business.
Anywhere in the world.
Absolutely, and I think people are going to be really interested in seeing what happens next in this series and to learn so much more about these techniques in CPM.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited to see what happens with the next series.
Super.
Excellent, thank you, Julian. Now there's a fair bit to cover, and to make this learning easy, Julian and I will cover each main topic in around 3 minutes in a series of free short videos. But if you need to see the full interview, say to brief your fellow managers, we can give you a link to the entire interview, which is around 20 minutes long. And the CRM channel is much more than just a series of videos. Its aim is to offer consultative support at an early stage. So together with an ability to get all our latest free videos, white papers and news about events, we're setting up a forum on LinkedIn so you can contact Julian and other supporters of the channel and get the answers you need to ensure project success. So get the full series and connect with our support forum by just pressing the button below now. And we'll see you soon.